Far in the northern woods of Finland lies a small town called Hoika. Erkki is an unemployed former cross-country skier battling alcoholism and the ghosts of a life once filled with promise. Until one day...
Mutta minä en anna periksi.
Erkki made a decision that would change everything. He decided to build a ski resort from scratch, but nothing comes easy.
Jos ei tää homma lähde eteenpäin tällä tavalla, niin meidän täytyy ilmeisesti palata asian tiimoilta oikeudessa.
The fight is just beginning.
Sulla on kai turha tarjota ryppyä.
Will the never-ending struggles break him?
Sinä olet alkanut juopotteleen taas!
But can he build the ski resort of his dreams despite everything standing in his way? This is the Metsolas. Erkki's journey from rags to riches.
Erkki Metsola ei lannistu, perkele.